Welcome to another edition of PLP's Distribution Tips and Tricks. Previously, we discussed color codes on factory-formed wire products. We noted that there are color marks on a tie that represent the insulator designation. It is essential to ensure that the tie and insulator match. The ties are designed with precision to fit securely not only onto the appropriate conductor but also the appropriate insulator. Let's take a look at this tie. This tie has a black color mark which indicates it should be used with a C-neck insulator. If you would try to use this on an F-neck or a J-neck insulator, it either would not fit or it wouldn't secure the conductor properly to the insulator. While there are several critical dimensions for an insulator, such as the top groove diameter or the side groove diameter, only the neck diameter remains consistent for a given neck designation across applications. For a C-neck, the neck diameter is 2 1/4 inches. For an F-neck, the diameter is 2 7/8 inches. And for a J-neck, the diameter is 3 1/2 inches. With the knowledge of these dimensions, you can take an insulator that lacks identification, measure the neck diameter, and determine the insulator designation. Thank you for watching this edition of PLP's Distribution Tips and Tricks. Be on the lookout for more soon.